The Yamuna Expressway Industrial Development Authority is rapidly transforming the region around this 165-kilometer Yamuna Expressway connecting Greater Noida with Agra. Over the years, YEIDA has attracted significant investments leading to massive industrial, infrastructural and economic growth. Hello everyone, this is Prachi Tiwari for SME Futures, and today we dive into the past, present and the future of YEIDA's industrialization journey and how it is shaping India's industrial landscape. YEIDA's industrialization story began in the early 2000s when the Yamuna Expressway was constructed to enhance connectivity between Delhi and Agra. Despite its potential, the industrial growth in the region was initially slow due to challenges such as delayed land acquisitions and a lack of critical infrastructure, including an international airport. In its Master Plan 2031, YEIDA laid the groundwork for a future industrial hub, designating land for residential and industrial uses. However, the region remained underutilized during the early years, with only minor industrial activities taking root. Yet these early plans paved the way for more aggressive development strategies that were soon to follow. The initial years saw industrial and residential land allocations in smaller zones, but large-scale development was yet to kick off. Fast forward to today, and YEIDA has witnessed a transformation. With the approval of the Master Plan 2041, the authority is setting up a 10,500-hectare urban center, expected to become one of the largest industrial zones in India. The Master Plan also emphasizes sustainable development, allocating 35% of the land for green use and 23% for the industrial development. One of the key projects driving this transformation is the Noida International Airport, which is set to become operational by the end of the 2024. This airport will not only boost connectivity but also attract large-scale investments from global industries. Already, companies such as Tarq Semiconductors, a Hiranandani Group company, have committed 17,000 crore to establish a semiconductor plant, which will create thousands of jobs and enhance the region's reputation as a tech hub.
The industrialization started in cluster type of industrialization, and we have formulated around 11 clusters, industrial clusters, like MSME cluster, handicraft cluster, handloom cluster, toy park, data park, semiconductor park, electronic manufacturing cluster. So these type of industrial cluster development has taken place in UP for the first time. And the whole idea was that whole ecosystem should be available for each and every type of industry. So when a specific type of industry will be at one place, so their requirement for water, their requirement for electricity, their requirement for workers, their accommodation and other things will be at one place. So some sort of SEZ facility the industry should get. So one type of industry has been placed at one place. So we have developed sector 28, 29, 30, 2 and 33, 4 sectors accordingly. And one sector 24A has also been developed like that, where only EMC like Vivo has come. So the purpose of this type of development was much needed in the state because scattered development was not taking in Noida and Greater Noida and in other part of the Uttar Pradesh and other part of the country. Scattered development was not ideal for the industrialization. So this cluster development has been envisaged and it has been implemented. And by this date, we have already allotted 3,082 industries in these clusters. Work has been started, around 12 industries become functional, and big industries like Evidenson, this Vivo, they are already working. More than 110 industries are under construction. They will be completed by March 2025. And 400 industries have already applied for the MAP approval. So we think with the arrival of the airport and with the airport connectivity by the February-March, we will have more than 200 industries functional at the site. So, and we have created a lot of infrastructure for that. As far as this road is concerned, along with the expressway, we have created a 60-meter wide road for this industry, and the interchange has been made in the industrial area, so one can get into our industrial area within seconds from the expressway at the 28th kilometer of the Yamuna Expressway. You can find all these clusters which I have mentioned. We have a dedicated 60-meter road. Then we are coming with a rapid rail coming from Ghaziabad to Knowledge Park and from Knowledge Park to Jewar. That proposal are already being submitted in Government of India for the fund sharing. It is being shared 20% by the Government of India, 20% by the state government, and remaining by the NCRTC or by NILS stakeholders. So we have already advanced in that.
Additionally, YEIDA's current industrialization efforts include the development of 4 special economic zones which are designed to foster export-oriented industries. Further positioning YEIDA as a key player in India's economic future, the logistics parks in Aligarh and the heritage city in Mathura are further evidence of the region's diverse and multifaceted growth. YEIDA's Master Plan 2041 reserves 35% of the land for green development and 23% for industrial use, with the Noida International Airport set to boost global connectivity by 2024. Looking ahead, YEIDA's Master Plan 2041 envisions a thriving urban center with plans to accommodate a population of 3.9 million people. The development will include industrial zones, residential areas, commercial centers, and green spaces, creating a sustainable, integrated urban environment. In line with this, 17% of the land will be dedicated to mixed-use development, blending industrial and residential spaces to create a balanced, self-sustaining community. This future vision for YEIDA includes further expansion in sectors such as electronics manufacturing, logistics, and technology-driven industries, making it one of India's most advanced industrial hubs.
We are not only looking the hinterland of this Jewar airport, restricting ourselves to the Uttarakhand and western part of UP. So that's why the Indian Railway is connecting with the Amritsar-Kolkata line, connecting whole of the eastern part of the country, and Delhi-Mumbai line is connecting the western part of the country. So it is a pan-India connectivity. And then orbital rail and this expressway is already this Gautam Budh Nagar Greater Noida to Agra Expressway, from Agra to Lucknow Expressway, from Lucknow to another Balia Expressway. Then Ganga Expressway is also connecting with the Jewar airport. The whole part of UP to Rajasthan, part of Haryana, part of other states, Rajasthan, they are already connected. But with the Indian Railways connecting with the DFC and Amritsar-Kolkata line and Delhi-Mumbai line, so it's going to have a pan-India freight corridor also, as well as the passenger corridor also.
YEIDA's future is built on a model of sustainable industrialization, with key attention on environmental conservation and the creation of an ecosystem that supports both industrial growth and the well-being of residents.
All the materials which are being used, they are zero carbon free, and the new buildings which are coming, they are coming only on this concept, that the green building concept, and material building used for the taking care of the environment also. So that's why we have already planned like that. For the building also, for the airport also, and for our road connectivity also. In road connectivity, we are also using new materials which are more environmental free, and sustainability is another basic criteria and the basic theme for our growth. And the industries which are constructing that area, they are also being told that they should use only the prefabricated thing. The noise pollution should not be there, and they should not use the concrete and other material which also creates a lot of pollution.
YEIDA's journey from its early days to the present has been remarkable, with the ongoing development of the Noida International Airport, special economic zones, and the Master Urban Center under the Master Plan 2041. YEIDA is transforming into a globally competitive industrial hub. As we look towards the future, YEIDA is set to lead India's next phase of industrial growth, combining sustainability with large-scale industrialization. We will be watching closely as this region continues to grow, bringing endless opportunities for businesses, residents, and investors alike.